Hey guys, and welcome to bloomjoybaskets. My name is Olga and today we are in little workshop to create a new basket set. Yes, for 1-year-old baby Anna. Tomorrow she's gonna be celebrating her first birthday. Yay! We wish you beautiful, bright future ahead. I'm so excited to create this basket for you, baby Anna. Well, I had the chance to babysit her for a few days, so I know probably what she needs the most. Bunch of onesies, bunch of snacks, and little toy. Let's get started and create this basket. Here we go, our set for today, what we will be working with. We got nice, beautiful, big basket. Some hair accessories. Ooh, nice outfits. We're gonna put them all together. Yes, we went shopping, nice and cute. Bunch of snacks, as you can see. Yes, some melting stuff. Once upon a farm. Look at that. Okay, this is for the beach. Maybe too early, but you know, this stuff is never enough. Okay, we have our cut sticks already. We have some spoons also, and this what we gonna see if it's gonna fit. Yes, everything is ready and organized. Let's build it. Okay, as always, we're gonna start with the basket frame. Here we go, we have our sticks ready. We have some cardboard.
We're gonna do some magic to build the frame right now.
Okay, if you're curious where we're getting the sticks from, my husband got it from Menards. Yes, they're pretty tall and we cut them. Let me show you. So this is the original size of the stick. This is what we're gonna be working with. We're gonna also need some zip ties and some rope to cover those zip ties.
So let's do it!
You know what? To be honest, I don't think we need even the glue gun today because I secured the cardboard at this basket somehow that the sticks are staying. Nice. Just a few touches with the zip ties and we should be good to go. There you go. Made it some kind of cardboard bottom, so the sticks are pretty good and secure. Here we go, zip ties. Not to waste our cut parts, I just made like a double stick, little bit longer, and we can use it right here. Here we go, I got my perfect length. Here we go, cutting the zip ties. Good. Guess what? We ran out of the zip ties. I need to run to the garage to get the big ones because the only one I have left is the tiny. Let's go to the garage. Here you go. I'm back with a bunch of zip ties. Let's secure now this part of the build. Here we go, our frame is ready. Now we have to cover those zip ties. So what do you think? Something about like this. So now we're gonna need to fill up the basket with the paper and make some kind of like a cushion so we can start styling and putting our outfits, toys and snacks. Let me tell you the secret. If you're getting a lot of Amazon packages, save this paper. You're gonna need it. Here we go, our basket is ready, frame is ready, cushion is ready, little bit of decoration at the moment. Let's put our outfits and the gifts. We're gonna put some cute outfit for 1 year old for the summer, but also something which is long sleeve for 18 months. Oops, sorry, little bit unhooked with a cute cherry. And of course onesies, because babies, they need a lot of them. So let's put them nice on the hangers and put them on the basket. Here we go, our hangers from Target. Just look at this cute pants. Cherry lady. Yes, she's gonna be so stylish. Okay, I'm done with the hanging the clothes. Look at that. Looks so nice and pretty. Now we have to add all of the accessories, toys and foodie snacks. Okay, so the only reason why this basket has food, because I know this baby is gonna be okay to eat it, she doesn't have the allergies, or actually this is her favorite, because when I was babysitting her, she was eating them like a snack. So let's put them inside and we are almost done. Just look at this beautiful basket full of stuff and goodies, toys, everything. Okay, let's put some plastic, finish touches, and we're gonna be ready to hit the road to go for our birthday. And for the color of the bow, I'm gonna do something like this. I think it's matching with the outfits. Wow guys, just look at this beautiful creation for baby Anna. She's gonna be turning 1 year old. Happy birthday baby, from Bloom Joy Basket, best wishes and bright future ahead. Thank you so much for staying with me on this basket build. What do you think about this creation today? I will be happy to read your comments. Please like, subscribe and follow us for more build in the future. Bye!